All right, hello kiddos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a player jump. So I've already got most of this set up. We've got a way to make the player move side to side, but I want to be able to press the up arrow and make it jump. And you'll just have to trust me that I'm pressing up and nothing is happening. So I'm going to actually put this code to make the player jump inside of the move function, because if the move function controls all movement, jumping is a type of movement. First thing I want to check is the player on the ground? If the player is on the ground, that means its Y is 300. I've even got the Y watcher down here. So I'm going to check, is the player's Y exactly equal to 300? If it is exactly equal to 300, then I want to check if we've pressed the up key. And I'm going to do key went down, not key down, because I don't want it to be constantly happening. So if the player's Y is 300 and I press the up key, then I'm going to set the player's velocity Y to -10 to make it go up. Let's try that right now. Still moving side to side. I press up, and he goes up and never comes down. We can see Y, the player's Y right now is a number less than 300, a lot less than 300. Watch as I press up right now. Watch the watchers. So it gets to a number less than 300. The key to this is if the player's Y is a number less than 300, I need to do something to make it start slowing down and then coming back down. So if the player's Y is less than 300, and it's very important that you put this block above the equal to 300 block, otherwise you run into some pretty annoying bugs. If the player's Y is less than 300, then I want, instead of this to be negative, I want it to gradually move to a positive number. So he'll slow down and then gradually come back down. The way I'm going to gradually change things is I'm going to use the counter pattern. We'll set the velocity Y, instead of being -10, we'll set it to itself plus 0.5. So it gradually increases. Let's try it now. Press up. Oh, he's coming down forever. Ooh, not great. I haven't told him to ever stop. Well, that's simple enough to solve. If it's less than 300, then I make the player's velocity Y increase. If it's not less than 300, just make its velocity Y 0, make it stop. So if the player's Y is equal to 300, or if it's 302 or 303, though it'll never get there because of the numbers we've used, we make its velocity Y 0. So we press up, and you can see it keeps getting to 300. Watch the watcher. It keeps getting to 300 and then stops. Again, the order is very important here. If you put this block below this if, you start running into some bugs. So keep it up here. And that is how we make a player jump with a nice U shape. If you want to do a V shape, well, I'm not going to get into that in this tutorial. If you have any questions, please try watching the video again, or you can ask me in class and make something cool. Bye, kiddos.